5 Best Fingerprint Padlock. Here is the product number 5. Aimitek Thumbprint Door Lock Biometric Smart. Small size, beautiful appearance, hard material. Can record 10 fingerprints. Fingerprint setting, short press unlock, long press 3 seconds to set fingerprints, long press 6 seconds to remove fingerprints. Fingerprint sensor, semiconductor fingerprint sensor technology, 72x64, record 5 times, save 10 sets. Here is the product number 4. Smart Bluetooth Rechargeable Door Lock. Safe and reliable, unlock at one touch, your finger is password now. Unlock, it is easy to operate, stores up to 10 fingerprints, and is managed directly in the smart lock. Unlocking methods. This fingerprint padlock has 360-degree fingerprint acquisition function and only unlock for 1 second and quickly identify biometric locks to quickly identify your fingerprints. Here is the product number 3. Fipilock Smart Lock Keyless Fingerprint Lock. Product name, Household Door Traditional Lock Type Biometric. Material, Zinc alloy. Type C input, 5 volts/100 mAh battery, 180 mAh 3.7 volts capacity, 10 sets. Waterproof, IP65. Color, gold, silver. Indicating light, red, blue, green. Here is the product number 2. Black Silver Keyless USB Rechargeable Door Lock. Fingerprint unlock, your fingers unlock everything. Durable structure, zinc alloy and splash-proof lock body protects your assets against thieves. Portable, small size and lightweight. Family and friends share, up to 10 sets fingerprint can be stored to unlock. Rechargeable lithium battery, up to 12 months standby or up to 1000 times unlocking. Here is the product number 1. Towode Keyless USB Rechargeable Door Lock, wide application, perfectly used for doors, cabinets, bikes, backpacks, storage lockers, etc. Easy operation, no need any tools, you can add or delete fingerprints easily by following the instructions of the user manual. 10 groups of fingerprints, the padlock supports up to 10 fingerprints recording support to administrators. High-tech chip. Using high-tech chips, fingerprint processing is faster.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.